Hey guys, it's Will. Let's get into the AI and tech stocks that we invested in today. So we went live this morning and I'm going to pull up kind of our charts, show you what it's looking like. So what kind of led to this buy? I know that it's been a very volatile time here for PTIR, the Palantir stock, up 25% today. I actually was holding this. I got in on my Schwab portfolio and I got on in this stock on my Robinhood here as well. And this morning, early hours, right at market open, we were trading TSLL. We had sold at 18.30 for, I think it was a $220 profit. So that put us just over 500 on the day here on Robinhood. Why would we buy PTIR? Let's look at the trend. Very simply put, I want you guys to look at this upward trend, this kind of the shorter term today, what it looked like. And so there's a support, right? And here's kind of the resistance. I saw it pull back all the way to this moving average. And what happens is you see this green line, this moving average. Most of the time, this moving average acts as either a support or a resistance. And if it crosses over, sometimes that means we're changing direction. But you see, here's higher lows. It's acting as a support. Saw it break below the moving average, was a little bit bullish, already down to $78. Crossed back over and was kind of stayed bearish until earlier yesterday. We saw it cross over, and that's when I really had an eye here on Palantir. And we saw that it pulled back to the moving average in a bullish pattern. And so you can see my purchase price right here at what was that? Yeah, $98, and it went up to what is now $106. Okay, so smaller position, about $4,200. Didn't want to go too crazy on the end of a Friday, but that's how we're looking here on Palantir. Now, if we look kind of on the more longer term of what the trend looks like, you can see that there's this kind of clearly identified, tightly knit trend right here. It did drop below a little bit, but you see right here we got some resistance. Maybe resistance is a little higher, kind of like that. And we saw it when I saw it cross over and then break above, and it was continuing the upward direction. That's why I decided to buy. So you can kind of see that support there. It pulled back. And so Palantir has been a bull. I was looking on the market cap earlier today, and one of the things that we saw was, every time I refresh this, Palantir has gone up in valuation. I just refreshed it, and it went from like ranked 110 to ranked 104. I don't know if it's going to change when I just now refresh it, but I think it was less than a week ago or 2 weeks ago, they were under $100 billion market cap. They've soared to $149 billion market cap. Just to put that in perspective, if you look on the market cap here, we have what is the Magnificent Seven of Tesla, Meta, Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and NVIDIA, all of them over a $1 trillion valuation. So I'm not saying that they're just going to get to number 7, but that's a $1 trillion valuation. So let's say they get to top 20 from the 100. That would put them at just over $400 billion market cap. They could be kind of among the likes of Salesforce, as they are a software company and they use AI. Primarily, they help companies train language models and utilize AI to increase their efficiency, make more money, basically have ahead of the game analytics, not only in all the industries across the world, but also in the military and government contracts. Same thing over here with Oracle, right? You got Oracle, similar company, maybe not as AI versed, but still a powerhouse in software, $500 billion market cap. So just kind of looking at those things, right? Kind of looking at those things, we could see if it reached that market cap of, let's say, 400 or 500 billion, we'd be looking at what would be 2.5 to 5x of their market cap and their stock price. So they're currently valued at $65 a share. just a year ago or so, they were $5 a share. They've really increased in value. You could see, I think it was 2023, they had a market cap here of 13 billion. Their market cap has soared. It's not so much speculation. They've been beating their earnings, and they are a big player. Founded in 2003, they are one of they are similar to Nvidia in that they've consistently worked on building their company as they see the future to be. And in 2024, 2025, as AI starts to really become a real big thing, they're in a great position to be able to capitalize on that. So I think that's why we see them winning so well. So again, kind of marking up Palantir, maybe looking up to here could be, a sell on the short-term technicals, but, it's a volatile time. I don't think that, look at that push up, right? I don't think that we want to say, technicals for me are just all about determining direction. They're not really the valuation of a stock, right? And so I think that overall, we're going to see Palantir be a powerhouse company, especially as AI becomes more prominent in the world. So I see them going what is now $64 a share. I see them going up to like $100 or $200 a share, and I have no idea when. And it's going to be volatile, and it's exciting. It's a dynamic stock, and that's why I like to trade it. And so I'm trading the 2X, which is PTIR. As you can see, Palantir itself went up 12% today. PTIR went up 25% today. And so that's kind of the reason I trade it. I like to trade the 2X of a lot of tech and AI companies. For those of you guys that would like to watch me trade live at market open every single morning, the Stockmate community is something I recently launched, and we focus specifically on AI and tech companies in the stock market. So if you'd like to learn how to invest and watch me trade live every single day at market open, then I would encourage you to check out that second link in the description down below. That's Stockmate. For those of you guys that enjoyed and got value out of this, do consider hitting the like button and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.